In this very video, I'm going to simply show you how I was able to sign on this very account, and simply by creating a mobile game using ChatGPT and Google AdMob. As you can see right here, this is one of the game I've already built with this very system, and this is a flip the bottle game. Okay, I got the inspiration on Facebook. I saw some creators on Facebook that were playing this game with normal bottle water, where someone can easily flip the bottle. If it is still standing still, then you've already won. All right, so with that inspiration, I decided to go to DeepSeek, and this is the prompt it generated for me. This is what it wrote here. I want you to build a flip the bottle game for me. The game should be fun, interactive, visual appealing, and here are the details. Okay, so the first detail here is the game concept. If you scroll down right, you're gonna see the visual design. You're gonna see the user interface, which is the UI. You're gonna see sound and music. Okay, so these are the features of the application. If you scroll down, there are other additional features on this very section. Gathering all this information, and I went to ChatGPT. So I added that, then sent it to ChatGPT. Okay, you can see these are the same stuff that we saw on DeepSeek. Okay, that simple prompt has already brought down all of these features right here. Okay, and in this video I'm also going to simply show you how to monetize it with your AdMob. And I've already made a video on how you can easily publish this on platforms like Amazon app stores and lots more. All right, I have to simply tell it to continue and build it. Okay, then you click on this confirm. Let's allow it to load. Alright, so you can show right here, this is what they said. They said here, yeah, flip the bottle game has been created. Then to download your game, click on this section. Then to edit and customize it, click on this section. Okay, so we have to do right now, simply click on this edit and customize. All right, because we have to make some changes before we can simply go ahead and get this app. All right, so let's wait for we to log in. If you don't have an account on this section, click on this sign up button to create your account. Okay, you can see the game is ready. This is flip the bottle. Then click on it. All right, so if you come to this section, you're going to see right here, this is general information, and you have to simply click on it, name and icon. Click on it. You're going to see right here, this is the name of the game, and you're going to simply add cool icon for this. All right, so the icon size should be 256. Go to your Canva icon on your Canva. Then I'm going to pick one. Let's say I want to go with this. All right, so this looks cool, and I'm going to simply select another stuff right there. Let's say I want to go with flip the bottle flip. Let's search for bottle flip. Okay, so okay, you can see this is what we have here. I think I'm going to simply add this here, then go back there and select something like, so this is the flip the bottle. Let's add the name, flip the bottle. All right, then make sure you resize it to fit in, then download and play. All right, so this is the game here, and another thing we're going to simply do right now is simply go ahead and save this. Okay, it has been downloaded. So when you have that, then go back to Canva again. So remember, there's a specific size they gave us, okay, so that we won't miss it. Just come to this plus button, click on this plus button here, click on it, then go to custom size. All right, click on custom size. Then you have to simply press the size here, which is 256, 256, and 256. All right, then click on create design. Then click on upload button here. Upload that design you saved just right now. Okay, this is it. Then drag it here. then click on save. All right, so this is the actual size. Then come back here, click on choose image or choose file. When you click on that, select the new image you just downloaded right now. Okay, go to recent. You can show here there are 2 images here. Just select the first one on top, which is the one we designed with the actual size. Okay, and another thing you have to do right now is simply go back to your AdMob, which is this section. Copy your AdMob app ID. It has been copied, then paste it here. All right, then click on this save button, then click on OK. Okay, it has been changed. Then let's go back to, you can see it, all the changes has already applied here. Click on this section that says ads. If you want to monetize this, you have to simply click on this section that says ads. Okay, add your AdMob ad unit right here, which is the banner. This is interstitial and this is native. You can see native ad right here. Okay, you're gonna see the ad unit that are already on your account. Okay, and if you don't have anyone already on your account, just click on add unit right here. But before you copy this banner ad unit, make sure you use the test ad first for your new application or game app. Okay, and for you to get your test ad, you just need to head over to Google and search for Google AdMob test ad. Okay, when you search for that, then you're going to simply see this section. This is from Google itself for developers. All right, then if you click on that, scroll down a little bit, you're going to see we have all the ad units available here. Okay, so let's first of all copy the banner from here. Click on copy, then come here, paste it here. Then let's copy the interstitial ad. All right, when you copy that, come back here and paste it here. All right, so you can do the same for all of that. Okay, when you confirm your advertisement and make sure that people are using the game already, that is when you can add your normal ad unit. Okay, when you add all of that, click on this save button. Remember, you can also add monetized ads. If you want to add monetized ads, which is your direct link or AdStara direct link, you can add it on this very section. All right, so this is going to simply work both for AdStara direct link or monetized. Okay, so whichever one you want, you can go for that. Click on this download app. Let's see, you can see right here the game is ready. Click on open or download, then click on download. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, it is done downloading. Then let's go ahead and rename it, then add the name, flip, let's say D, then let's say bottle. All right, then click on open. You can see the icon we added, which is cool. Then click on open. This is the interstitial ad, which is coming from the test ad we added, which means this game is qualified to show ad. So let's forget about the ad first. All right, let's go straight to the game. Then this is what they said, that we should go ahead and complete our full name and details. Okay, you can see this is test ad right here showing already on this very section. You can add your profile, your name and all of that. Let's say I want to add John, then I'm going to simply add my game. Okay, all right, then scroll down a little bit. Then you can see right here all of this stuff that says optional, you can skip them. Okay, so let's click on save details. All right, you can see right here this is the game here. So click on this tabs to start. Choose the sound so that you can hear whatever I'm saying right now. Okay, let's reduce the sound. You can see this is just a cool game. You can simply go back from here. If you click on this section, you can play the game. Let's click on play, and you can see right here this is simply how to play the game. So let's click on this. Okay, we've made it again. Then let's flip again. Okay, let me just try to fail. Let's see if I can fail. You can see right here I failed. Okay, I failed. Let me fail again. But if I want to get it, I have to simply slide the phone. Oh, I failed. Okay, so let me try again. If you flip like this, then we made it. Let's flip again. Okay, we made it. Then let's flip again. We made it. All right, so this is what we got right now. I think this is these are medicine. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Good one. Let's go again. Good one. Let's go again. Okay, so this is the target. The next target is to make it higher. All right, so make it higher. You can see the more you play, the more features comes in. Okay, so this is basically a cool game to play. All we have to do right now is simply go ahead and upload our mobile game to platform like Amazon App Store, to AppCure and APK Mirror. Okay, I've already made a video on the platform where you can publish your app and get more download. Okay, remember, if you have failed download, you can easily go ahead and replace this test ad to your normal advertisement. So all you need to do right now is simply go ahead and get started with this very strategy. If you found this video helpful, I want you to like this video, share this video to your friends who want to build game easily, and also don't forget to join us on the Telegram, WhatsApp channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in my next video.